I've done it. We've all done it. And that's why we made Dashbot.
Dashbot. Get funky.
Dashbot is a $49 robot for your dashboard. It works with any car and installs in seconds. Connects to your smartphone and controls your music, maps, and messages with just your voice.
Dashbot. Text Dave, there in 5.
Text Tim Dave, there in 5. Ready to send?
Yep.
Dashbot. Are we there yet?
You'll arrive around 7:30 p.m. Turn left on Jefferson in 1 mile.
We designed simple visual cues with all the information you need to find your way.
And added support for playlists, podcasts, and all your favorite online streaming services.
Best of all, your phone stays where it belongs, in your pocket.
Dashbot, take us home.
Kickstarter, we need your help. To sell Dashbot for $49, we need to make a lot of them. That's where you come in. Back Dashbot on Kickstarter today. Thanks. Now you're driving with robots.
Je suis Gisela. Nous sommes fiers de vous présenter aujourd'hui notre projet Gablis Locker. Gablis Locker est le tout premier objet connecté au monde permettant de verrouiller et déverrouiller automatiquement votre ordinateur. Ce petit objet magique est disponible pour les environnements Mac et Windows 8. Gablis Locker peut aujourd'hui devenir une réalité, mais il nous reste encore du chemin. Accompagnez-nous et aidez-nous pour vous apporter le meilleur de la technologie 100% Made in France. Toute l'équipe vous remercie. À bientôt!
Hi everyone. Since our first campaign, we've shipped to 6,000 backers all over the world. Now, we are back to bring a new product. This is Mocha 360, the smallest panorama camera in the world. We achieved a compact size and 116 grams of sophisticated structure beyond the imagination. Mocha 360 applied two 7-glass lenses, superb internal quality, and f2.0 aperture to ensure better image quality. Symmetrical 220 degrees dual lens design could cover double 360 degrees recording. Using iOS and Android app to operate Mocha 360, the smooth operation on multiple filming modes frees your creative inspiration. With built-in stitching, at a click of the button, the 360-degree video could be seen on your phone or tablet. You can download it to your phone and share instantly. Mocha 360 supports live streaming, using VR glasses to review the wonderful moments or experience the scene thousands of miles away. Mocha 360 has a magnet base. Stick it on the fence of playground or lamp in the cafe. You can film without any accessory. With Mocha 360, when you film the sky, you can also film the ground you walk on. When you record a friend's smiling face, you can also take your own funny moments. When you record the scenery in front of the bike, your cheerful look could be recorded at the same moment. Regardless of soccer or rugby match, you can record the performance of the entire team. Take Mocha 360 to swimming parties or diving with the waterproof case so you can record the mysterious world 40 meters deep underwater. If you have a Mocha 360, what will you record? Please share this product with all your family and friends. Let us make it a reality.
reliable and durable products quickly and efficiently. Memory can be blurry, notes can be lost, but recorded images tell the true stories of our lives. Capture the best moments of your life with Snap. Upload them to the cloud and keep them forever.